Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will start exercise 2.4. In this exercise, questions are given in statement form like we did exercise 2.2. So here also the question is in statement form and we have to solve it mathematically. So to attempt these type of questions, we follow 3 steps. So let us remember those steps. First step is we have to assume the quantity which has to be found in the form of some variable. In second step, we form an equation using the given data. And in the third step, we solve that equation to find the value of the variable. So we will follow these 3 steps to find our answer. So let us see question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5/2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So basically Amina एक number के बारे में सोचती है. So we don't know about that number and she subtracts 5/2 from it. और उस number में से 5/2 हमें subtract कर देना है. She multiplies the result by 8. अब जो subtract करके हमारे पास आंसर आया है उसको further हमें multiply करना है 8 से. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. और जो हमारा आंसर 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आएगा वो जो हमने नंबर स्टार्टिंग में सोचा था उसका 3 टाइम्स बन जाएगा. सो इसको हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन को. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will assume the number. So let the number be x. So now we have assumed the number be x. So according to question, what is given? Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5/2 from it. So the number here is x and we have to subtract 5/2 from it. So x minus 5/2. Further, she multiplies the result by 8. So we will multiply this result by 8. Now this result is now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. ये जो हमारा रिजल्ट आया है ये किसके इक्वल है? 3 times the number she thought. So this will be equal to 3 times the number she thought. कौन सा नंबर उसने सोचा था? x. So 3 times into x. So first of all we will assume the number be x. Now she subtracts 5/2 from it. So x minus 5/2. She multiplies the result by 8. So we will multiply this x minus 5/2 by 8. This result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. This will be equal to 3 times the number she thought of, that is number x. So what is the number? So first step is done, second step is done, equation is formed here. Now we have to solve this equation. For solving we will first multiply 8 with the bracket. So 8 into x will be 8x and minus 8 into 5/2 is equal to 3x. This will 2 4 is 8. So 8x minus 4 into 520 is equal to 3x. So what we will do, we will take this 3x on left hand side. So signs will be reversed and this minus 20 will go to RHS and will be equal to plus 20. So 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal to 20. And now 5 will go in denominator, 20 by 5. And x will be equal to 4. So hence the number is 4. Now let us see question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. So basically there are 2 numbers in which one number is 5 times the other number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So what are the numbers? So there are basically 2 numbers in which one is 5 times the other. And here this number is which is 5 times the other is positive number. So first of all, let us assume the first number. Let the first number be x, and therefore the second number, what will be the second number? It is given that that number is 5 times the another number. So second number will be 5x. So we have, let us assume the two numbers, one is x and other is 5x. Now if 21 is added to both numbers, so according to question, we have to add 21 to both the numbers. So we will add 21 on both the numbers. So therefore new numbers formed. So new numbers will be x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. So it was given if 21 is added to both numbers, so we have to add 21 on both sides. So these are the two new numbers formed. Next, one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So इन दोनों में से जो एक नंबर है वो दूसरे का twice है. अब we have to find that which number is twice the other number, whether this first number is twice the second number or second number is twice the first number. So इसके लिए हमें कैसे सोचना है? अब हमें ये देखना है कि whether this x is greater or this 5x is greater. So since it is given that this 5x is a positive number, a positive number is 5x another number, that means this second number is positive. और ये 5 into x पॉजिटिव कब होगा? जब ये x पॉजिटिव होगा, क्योंकि अगर x नेगेटिव हो गया तो 5 into x, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी टेक -5 and the first number and we multiply it by 5, so next number will be -25. But in this case this -5 is greater than -25. So माइनस में केस रिवर्स हो जाता है. तो अगर यहाँ पे ये 5x हमारा पॉजिटिव नंबर बन रहा है, दैट मीन्स दिस x शुड बी ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव, बिकॉज पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव इज पॉजिटिव. सो इफ x इज पॉजिटिव देन 5x इज पॉजिटिव. और पॉजिटिव नंबर में हम यहाँ पे क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि ये 5x जो है ये x से बड़ा ही होगा. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस अज्यूम x टू बी सम नंबर, लेट अस सपोज x टू बी 2. सो 5 into 2 10. So here we can see that 10 is obviously greater than 2. So अगर x पॉजिटिव है तो उस केस में 5x हमेशा x से बड़ा ही होगा. और अगर दोनों नंबर्स में हम 21 ऐड कर दें, जैसे हमने यहाँ किया x प्लस 21 और 5x प्लस 21, तो उस केस में भी ये 5x प्लस 21 जो है ये x प्लस 21 से ग्रेटर होगा. सो हमें यहाँ ये पता लग गया दैट दिस सेकेंड नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन फर्स्ट नंबर. So here this second number is greater than first number. What is the second number? 5x plus 21. And what is the first number? That is x plus 21. Now it is given in the question that the one of these two numbers is twice the other number. अब ये वाला नंबर हमें पता लग गया कि ये वाला नंबर ग्रेटर है इस फर्स्ट नंबर से. सो अगर हमें इसको इक्वल करना है तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? कौन से नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएं? तो अगर तो हम बड़े वाले नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो नंबर तो पहले से ही ग्रेटर है, तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद वो और ग्रेटर हो जाएगा, तो उससे वो कभी इक्वल नहीं हो पाएगा. तो हमें इक्वल करने के लिए क्या करना है? हमें छोटे वाले नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो अगर हमें इसको इक्वल करना है तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस स्मॉलर नंबर बाय 2. नाउ दे कैन बी इक्वल. सो वी हैव फॉर्म द इक्वेशन वन ऑफ द नंबर्स इज ट्वाइस द अदर नंबर. सो हमेशा छोटे वाले नंबर को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तभी वो बड़े वाले नंबर के इक्वल हो सकता है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. सो फॉर दिस 5x प्लस 21 इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 42. Now we will take 2x on left hand side and this will be equal to 42 minus 21. This will be 3x, this will be 21. Now we will take x in denominator, so 21 by 3, that is 7. So x is 7. So therefore first number क्या था हमारा x, which is equal to 7, and therefore second number which was equal to 5x, so 5 into 7, 35. So first number is 7 and second number is 35. So इसमें ध्यान सिर्फ इतना रखना है हमें कि हमेशा छोटे वाले नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे वो बड़े वाले नंबर के इक्वल हो सकता है. जो नंबर पहले से ही बड़ा है अगर उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो नंबर और बड़ा हो जाएगा, लेकिन इक्वल करने के लिए वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द स्मॉलर नंबर बाय 2. So here we can solve. The first number will be 7 and the second number will be 35. So after question number 2, I am taking question number 5. Question number 3 and 4 I am skipping and I will cover it in the next video because there is a little concept, so I will explain clearly in the next video. So let us see question number 5 first. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So there are two persons here, one is Shobo and his mother. So his mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So let us suppose the ages first. So let present age of Shobo be x years. So if present age of Shobo is x years, therefore age of his mother, which is given 6 times his present age, so her age will be 6x years. So now we have supposed their present ages. Now we will see what is given in the question next. Shobo's age 5 years from now. That means after 5 years, Shobo's age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So after 5 years, जो Shobo की age है, that will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what are their present ages? So after 5 years, age of Shobo. So if present age of Shobo is x years, so after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 years. And it is given that this age of Shobo, that is x plus 5, his age after 5 years will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. That will be equal to 1/3. That means we have to multiply by 1/3. 1/3 of the mother's present age. So mother's present age is 6x, so 1/3 into 6x. So let us solve this equation. So I am explaining again. Let present age of Shobo be x years and it is given that his mother's age is 6 times his age. So age of his mother will be 6x years. Now it is given Shobo's age 5 years from now. That means 5 years. After 5 years his age will be x plus 5. He will be 5 years older than his present age. And this age after 5 years will be equal to 1/3. That means we have to multiply by 1/3. His mother's present age. So what is the mother's present age? That is 6x years. So now we have formed the equation. So we will start step number 3. That is we have to solve this equation. So here we will multiply. This will be equal to x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So this 2x will come to left hand side and this 5 will go to right hand side with the negative sign. So x minus 2x is minus x equal to minus 5. So this minus will be cancelled out. So x is equal to 5. So since x is 5, therefore age of Shobo, present age of Shobo is 5 years and age of his mother which was equal to 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. So present age of Shobho is 5 years and present age of his mother is 30 years. So in this video we have covered 3 questions, first, second and fifth. In the next video we will do question number 3, 4 and 6. So till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.